girl back at it again with a new video. So today's video, I tried to do like a soft glam look using the really super popular soft glam eyeshadow palette from Anastasia. This just came out a few weeks ago, or like I think like 2-3 weeks ago. I bought this from Ulta. This is mainly like one of her palettes that she did that had a lot of like neutral shades for like softer looks. This palette would be perfect for wedding makeup or anybody in general that just loves like, you know, nice and neutral kind of soft looks. It's called soft glam. So, you know, it's perfect for somebody that loves a soft glam look. So, basically, this palette, you guys know all the Anastasia palettes, it has some new shades that have never come out, and there's some shades that are from like the Modern Renaissance palette. Here's what it looks like. Here are the shades. I really love like the soft, like velvety like feel. It is just like the Modern Renaissance, like the velvety like packaging of the palette. Let's see. So you guys know like the shades, like Tempera is like a shade that was in Modern Renaissance. So is Noor. I think Cypress Umber has been in the Modern Renaissance palette. And then everything else is pretty much new. Like there's Sultry, Bronze, Mulberry, Rustic, Rose Pink, Orange Soda, I think Burnt Orange and Sienna. I think both of these colors were also in Modern Renaissance. I believe. If I'm wrong, you know, please don't curse me out in the comments or anything. But I joke. So I tried my best to create like a softer glam look, but you guys know I love like ultra glam makeup, so I tried to tone it down, and this is what I came up with. I used, let's see, I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 7 shades in the palette, kind of pretty much focusing on like a blown out outer V, like smoky eye, kind of blowed it out a little bit, and yeah. So this is it. So, oh, and have you guys tried the Anastasia Breezy highlighter? It also came out with this palette. I've seen it. I saw it at Ulta, and I saw it at Ulta, and I saw it at Sephora, and I was like, you know what? It was like $28, and I was like, you know, for $28, I would rather buy a whole palette that has 4 shades instead of 1. But I can honestly say, like, when I swatched it, it was like buttery soft. It was like a formula that I have never swatched before with like the Anastasia, like all the highlighters that she had. So maybe if you guys are looking for like one, you know, highlighter and you want to invest in it, like, I would say if you want, get it if you have the extra money. But if you're more budget-friendly person, I would say there's lots of other highlighter palettes by Anastasia that are really good. Like, you know, like the Nicole Guerrero palette. Sorry, if you guys see me looking down, I have my viewfinder here. I'm just making sure that you guys are getting this. So, you know, I'm using, I've used the Nicole Guerrero kit today on my look. I just wanted like a really glam, like a kind of like a sultry eye, soft glam sultry eye, and then I just wanted a more bronzy like highlighter fleek look, something, you know, a little different. This is the inside of Nicole's palette. So like I said, you know, you guys can, if you guys are more budget conscious, I would say get like a palette. This was like $40. I know like I don't know if she had a unicorn palette or like some of her highlighter palettes by Anastasia are available in Marshalls and TJ Maxx, and they're like $24, which is like half the price for this. And if you guys are budget friendly, I would say go there, check it out. If you guys don't want to pay $28 for one little like slab of like highlighter. So yeah. So let's if you guys like this look, like if you guys like how I created this look, please keep on watching. Bye. To prime my eyes, I'm using MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. Alright, the first color that I'm picking up is Cream Soda, and I'm placing this a little above my crease. So when you put in another color on the bottom of it, it's going to give it like a little gradient effect. It's going to look cool. Alright, next I'm picking up Burnt Orange, and I'm placing this right under Cream Soda, right on the crease. Now for the outer V, I'm picking up Sienna, and I'm just going to darken up the outer V. What I'm doing with this color is I am focusing it on the outer part of my eye, kind of blending it outward a little after like the end of my eye, I would say, to give it like a more of a smoked out effect, blown out effect. Alright, next I'm picking up this super nice shadow. It's called Bronze. It's very sparkly. It's super pigmented. This is like one of the sparkly shades that have been in Subculture and Prism. I don't think there was any color like this that was in Modern Renaissance. Alright, I'm going in with Cypress Umber once again on the outer V, darken it up, and also, same thing, give it that blown out effect. Okay, now I'm taking Mulberry, and I'm going to place this right like on the third of the eye, like in the middle between where the gold shadow Bronze was and where we put Cypress Umber and like Sienna. so for eyeliner, I am using a very different two very different colors. I'm using more of like the brown shades. One is by Marc Jacobs. I didn't really find a name for that eye pencil. The other one was Urban Decay 24/7 eyeliner, and it was in the color Supply. And I am just I'm just tracing in right by the water line, and I'm going to go in and tight line my eye with the same color also, because if you use black it's going to be harsh. So I just wanted to use the same like brown type of colors. Okay, now I'm taking MAC's Fluid Line in Black Track with a eyeliner brush, and I'm slightly going in right on top of the same brown shades that we did, just to make it a little bit darker. And I'm also going to be placing that on my waterline, my lower waterline also. And then I'm taking the same brown color eyeliner from Urban Decay, and I'm just going to go right on top of that. So we still keep it like kind of smoky, but still have the same, incorporate the same brown shades. Alright, to smoke out the lower lash line, I'm using the color Mulberry and Noir and Sienna. I'm just mixing it all up and smoking out the lower lash line. Using Tempura to highlight my brow bone, and for my inner corner highlight, I'm just using Glistening, and I'm just gonna like do it with my finger. For mascara, I'm using CoverGirl's new Peacock Flare mascara, and I must say that like the bristles are kind of hard, and I feel like it really hurts my like eyelashes when I use it. I don't know what it is about this mascara. Does anybody else have the same problem if they used it, or are my lashes just extra sensitive to that brush? Because it's never happened with any other mascara. For lashes, I'm using Ardell's Fright Night lashes in Demi Wispy's Black. They don't have a number, but that's just what I used.
You want a bad bitch, baby, now you have it. Now you got the baddest. Show me you can handle this. Bad bitch, bad bitch. Bad bitch, bad bitch. Bad bitch, bad bitch. Bad bitch, bad bitch. Show me you can handle this.
Okay, lastly for lips, I wanted to keep it simple. I used Bite Beauty Eclair and a NYX Buttergloss in the color Meringue.
Damn, I hate to go psycho. Lil' mama bad like Michael. Can't really trust nobody with all this jewelry on you. My roof look like a no-show. Got diamonds by the bolo. Come with the Tony Momo for clowns and all the balls. Oh, I hate to go psycho. Lil' mama bad like Michael. Can't really trust nobody with all this jewelry on you. My roof look like a no-show. Got diamonds by the bolo. Don't act like you my friend when I'm rolling through my hands. Oh,